Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OBLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days, both Monday and then today, Tuesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And needless to say, absolutely monster move today, so definitely updates need to be done. So much so that I'm actually just going to use these annotations for the current ones. Sure, these levels down here still do pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first update and adjustment we'll make is just as far as the next level and current level of resistance is concerned. Nothing fancy behind that other than the fact that the party finally stopped today right up there at $1.05. So $1.05 will be, that key level going forward. But really resistance levels don't matter. And I say that because what matters the most is what the price has started to do and continues to do, and that is build those higher bases. So turning our attention here to more so the support levels, the ideal level of support going forward. When you say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 90 cents. With that being said, though, if the price falls below 90 cents, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher as the week goes on. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 90 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So overall, great movement today, great volume, and as long as those price movements keep on going through the health consolidations and chipping away with those higher bases, that's the name of the game. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.